the biggest event in India's entrepreneurship calendar. There's a whole lot happening here at the event today, and we're going to bring all of it to you over the next half hour. Let's take a look at what's lined up. On the show today, Asia's largest business plan contest, we bring you all the action from Eureka. What is an investor's view of investment? A special panel discussion, we bring it to you. And finally, can a startup really be created over a weekend? We find out. Fantastic. So I'm here with Mr. Abhishek Lal, one of the key co-members of the organizing committee at the summit. Abhishek, welcome to the show. Abhishek, take us through what the highlights are at the summit today.
Quite clearly, the biggest draw would be Eureka, which is Asia's largest business plan competition. Besides that, we have a wonderful lineup of speakers that includes names like Mr. Tulsi Tanti, who has one of the most exciting entrepreneurial stories ever. Then again, we have an international workshop featuring Mr. Philip de Ridder, who is flying down from Belgium for the same.
Fantastic. A whole lot to look forward to then. Davina Munro from the Starting Up team is actually out there sampling the day's events. She brings us a story.
Summit, the flagship collegiate event of India's entrepreneurship calendar, is one that is looked forward to by students and professionals from around the country. And like the past 4 years, hundreds of entrepreneurs from different sectors flock through the gates of IIT for an enriching experience.
Half of revenue comes from B2B. We have to understand the 6.5 billion population globally we have today.
Every panel discussion, talk and workshop was themed around connecting the dots, the sole motive for this year's summit. So while all the talks have been going on inside there, startups from different sectors have been meeting with visitors here in the showcase area. Well, let's take a look at what's on display. One startup that certainly added color to the event was Fizzy Goblet, a startup that makes custom-made hand-painted canvas shoes. Another interesting innovation was Faith Designs, a startup that specializes in exhibition stall designing and fabrication.
We help them out with the design of the stall, which is in the form of 3D. That's the image that you can see down. So according to the 3D layout, we do the entire designing of the stall and the fabrication of the stall.
So I come from automotive design background.
Some of the other highlights of the day was a talk by Dilip Chhabria, founder of car design firm DC Design.
We also want to create university industry interface. So similarly, we want to create 40 university innovation clusters.
And finally, the day ended with the most look forward to speaker of them all, innovator, entrepreneur and policy maker Sam Pitroda. Audience all had their own learnings and memories which they took home from the event.
What I liked is that you get to see in person the industry leaders right in front of you, and they share with you their success stories, their passion.
It had practically all the inputs right from the starting stage, what you need to be an entrepreneur, the risks, the pitfalls involved.
This brought an end to the 5th edition of IIT's eSummit, and like the previous editions before it, it certainly lived up to all the expectations of providing the audience with the information and inspiration to go out and start up.
Fantastic, Davina. Thank you very much.